you're after a hit there, which moves your body, with this one lifting up out of the way of this to strike the back of the neck. As it lowers down, you lowering down, then your hand takes the grip. So this hand grip isn't looking for anything. It is just gone down, and as it circles up, it finds the grip. So you don't have to do anything with that grip. Boom, boom, sink. And then Tenkai, which is a pivot on the spot. Encapsulate that neck and get the twist through the shoulders and hip here. So this is basic for stretching. 1, 2, 3. So this is Kaiten Nage, which is the literal translation is rotary throw. When it's lineal, the rotations happen via here, and then that twist here. He would traditionally roll from that into that position, so you can get the stretch on, and then when you warm up, you can begin warm-up rolls. But into this first position, where you've protected yourself from this, and this hand is up, so that as that lowers, that can strike here, then pivot. Right?